Here's how to see what Instagram Reels your friends have liked. Now, the first thing that you need to do is head into the App Store. We need to update Instagram because it's a fairly new feature. So if you're on an iPhone or an Android, just head into the App Store or Google Play Store. Right next to Instagram, if it says update, just tap the update button. Now, after we've done that, let's open up the Instagram app here. And on here, the first thing that you need to do, if you wanted to see a friend's liked Reels, is to tap on their profile. And on here, you can see I'm following this account. However, they need to follow me back for me to be able to see their liked Reels. So on here, I can tap on following. And if you see your name at the top of this list, then you'll be able to see that account's liked Reels. You can see in this case, they don't follow me back because it's just a random big account. And that's perfectly fine, but I won't be able to see their liked Reels. It's only people that you follow and follow you back. Now, to be able to see the list, you can't see it from their profile for whatever reason. We need to tap on the Reels button here. And now it'll just show you just general Reels. And of course you can swipe through and see those. But to see those friends Reels, tap on the Friends button at the top right. And you'll be able to see your friends Reels and it'll show their profile at the bottom left. You can tap on it and see exactly who liked that Reel. And again, you can swipe through and see exactly what friends have liked which Reels. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.